My skincare routine used to cost hundreds of dollars. And guess what? My skin was still a complete disaster. I hated my acne, my skin barrier was wrecked, and every miracle serum I tried just made it worse. So I did something extreme. When do I not? I quit my entire luxury routine and rebuilt it using only drugstore products under $15. I was fully expecting my skin to freak out. But instead, one specific drugstore product completely healed my skin barrier and replaced serums that used to cost me way too much. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I went from this to this. All right, let's start with product number 3. This is the product that made me realize I was paying for marketing. For years, my moisturizer was the most expensive part of my routine. I know, I loved the heavy glass jars too. It made me feel so bougie. It was luxurious, and I felt like I was paying for an investment in my skin. But looking back, I was just paying for expensive packaging. Because while it felt nice going on, by 2 p.m. my forehead was an oil slick. I needed something that hydrated my dry skin without stripping my skin barrier, so I tested 2 heavy hitters from the drugstore. First up is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. It's lightweight, gel-based, and if you have super oily skin, this is a solid option. But the winner, and the product that stole my heart and won the 3rd spot on my roster, is the Vanicream Daily Facial Moisturizer. I kid you not, I use this every single day. It's one of my favorites. This is the one that honestly surprised me. It's $15, fragrance-free, and you can find it at any local drugstore. Unlike my luxury cream, it repairs the skin barrier without clogging your pores. There's no irritation, no shine, and no greasiness. It doesn't steal the spotlight, but it gives you a perfectly hydrated base and works really well under makeup. However, this was not the product that completely changed my skin. Coming in at number 2 is the product that fixed my routine before I even realized it was broken. Cleanser. I used to think that squeaky clean feeling you get after using a cleanser meant that it was working. But in reality, it was destroying my moisture barrier. My skin would feel really tight and dry immediately after washing it, and then it would get even oilier an hour later to overcompensate. So, for this challenge, I pitted a cult favorite against a new drugstore competitor. On one side, our cult favorite is the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. If you wear heavy makeup, this stuff melts everything off your face. It's amazing. And while I love the DHC Cleansing Oil, the clear winner for my skin is the Vanicream Gentle Cleanser. Here's why it won. Instead of stripping my skin, this cleanser actually hydrates it while cleansing. For the first time ever, my face didn't feel tight after washing it. That specific feeling, that lack of tightness, was the first sign that my skin barrier was healing. That lack of dry, tight skin is called hydration. This cleanser created the conditions for the number 1 product to work. And now for number 1. This is the category where I wasted the most money. Toners! Toners. 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 Luxury toners, essences, hydrating facial sprays, I've tried them all. They all promise to refine my pores and balance my oil production. But honestly, they usually just stung my face until it burned so badly I had to wash it off. So when I started this drugstore challenge, I almost skipped toner entirely. That is until I found something that didn't look like skincare at all. There were no acids, no actives, no fragrance, just a can of Avene Thermal Spring water. I'll admit, I was skeptical. How much can a spray in a bottle really do for you? And it cost under $15? You kidding me? But after a few days, I felt something shift. My skin stopped freaking out. Yay! The redness around my nose was gone, my skin felt less reactive, and my products stopped stinging. Your products aren't supposed to sting, by the way. If something is burning on your face, stop using it. And that's when it clicked. This wasn't changing my skin by doing the most. It was changing my skin by letting it calm down and giving it the hydration it so badly needed. This simple step replaced toners I had paid way too much for. My skin was finally not irritated, and my breakouts healed way faster because inflammation was down. However, even with a perfect routine, breakouts happen. Life is stressful, man. So here is my under $15 emergency fix. The Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch. I put these on overnight, and as I sleep, it works its magic. It absorbs the fluid, you wake up, peel it off, and you're good to go. Off to the races. It's flatter and less red. Very simple, very effective. So, here's the final list that worked for me. Number 1, the Vanicream Gentle Cleanser to stop stripping my face. Number 2, the Avene Thermal Spring Water to calm down the inflammation and hydrate my skin. Number 3, the Vanna Cream Facial Moisturizer to repair my skin barrier. And number 4, sunscreen. Every day, rain or shine, I don't care if it's cloudy, wear your sunscreen, people. The total cost for this entire routine is under $40. Under $40. I used to spend $40 on one product. And lucky for you, I put all of the links down in the description below for you to snag. This experience completely changed how I view skincare. Good skin has nothing to do with the amount you spend, and everything to do with understanding what your skin needs. Now I want to hear from you. What is one drugstore product that genuinely changed the game for you? Not just something that looked good on TikTok. Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and I always love to hear from you guys. And if you want to hear more, subscribe. And your quote of the day is, expensive skincare isn't always better, but the right routine can change everything. Love you guys. See you next time.